I have literally got the most perfect bananas for this recipe. So they are so brown. So this is my go-to healthier banana bread. Start by adding 3 super ripe bananas into a bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and give these a really good mash. Straight into a bigger mixing bowl. To here, I'm gonna add 2 eggs. 45 mils of olive oil or coconut oil. 80 mils of honey or maple syrup. A little dash of vanilla. That is going to be all of your wet ingredients, so I'm going to go ahead and mix them together quickly. In the same bowl, I'm going to add 220 grams of self-raising flour. A good pinch of salt. A little teaspoon of baking powder. I almost forgot cinnamon. I'm just going to eyeball. Then we're ready to mix it all together. This is what it should be looking like. Of course, you want to add your favorite chocolate chips. I'm just going to pour my batter. If you're not using silicone, you're going to want to line your baking dish with some baking paper. Cheers. So good.